Open the Layers panel by tapping the Layers icon on the status bar up here. There are two layer modes to choose from. By default, it's set to Automatic, which means that whenever you switch brushes, Concepts will create a new layer, and all strokes created with that brush will be placed on its own layer. This can be useful for keeping your drawings organized and allows you to make changes more easily. Most brushes have their own layer, with the exception of soft and hard pencils, which are combined, as well as the pen, fountain, dynamic, fixed width, and dotted pens, all of which share a common layer. Whenever you manually change the layer order or switch the active layer, Concepts will automatically change the layer mode to Manual. In Manual mode, everything you draw ends up in the active layer no matter which brush you're using. When you want to switch back to Automatic, just tap on the word Manual, and the app will switch back to the layer of your currently active brush.